Hello everybody. Today's review is going to be on a tool or set of tools from Genius Tools, and these are called Dr. Wobble extensions. These are extensions for sockets to get into places that are hard to reach, like down in the engine bay or things like that. And they differ from standard extensions in that they do a couple different things that both standard and wobble extensions don't do. So uh, if we take a look at a standard extension, you can see these are flat surfaces, and if you put a socket on it, it stays straight, and you have to have a straight shot at the nut or the screw in order to turn the extension. However, there are also wobble extensions, and if you take a quick look here, you'll see these have a little angle to them. So if you put a wobble extension on, you can get, I believe these are 16 degree, 15 degree wobble extensions. So this is a wobble, and you can see you can get a little bit of an angle at it. But what it doesn't do is stay straight. It wobbles around, as the name implies. So what we have here is a set of 3/8, half inch, and 1/4 inch extensions, and they're called semi-wobble or wobble plus. So what we have is we have the angle that you can see here, but there's also a flat surface down here. So if you put this on, you have your wobble extension, and you can get into hard places. But then if you also need a straight shot at something, or you don't need that wobbling around, you push it the rest of the way on like that, and then it's locked into place and it doesn't wobble anymore. Or you can pop it out halfway and you have a wobble again. So this particular set does both functions in one tool, and I found that very useful in certain situations. So for instance, you might initially need a wobble to get something started, but then you can get a straight shot once the nut goes in farther. So great little set of tools, awesome quality. I do love the knurled finish on these, because half the time you're using these to get something started and you want a good grip on them, and then you put a ratchet or a torque wrench or something on the end and finish it up. But those little knurls really help. So that is my review of the Genius Tools Dr. Wobble extension set. Take a look at my description below and check out the affiliate links if you are interested in ordering.